You're on next, Miss Boop.
Okay. No, Pudgy, you can't go with me. You're going to bed. Now be a good pup and be very quiet. When work is all done, there's such laughter and fun down in our alley. The bows and the bells and Park Avenue swells down in our alley. Each evening they gather, and I know they'd rather be there than anywhere. So now if you'll listen, you'll see what you're missing, 'cause I will take you there. Hop Lee will appear with his pigtails so queer down in our alley. China boy, very, very happy. Him got laundry, Dewey, very snappy. Him soon marry sweet Ming toy. Settle down, do a lot of washy. Him have time for makey love by goshi. Tingling toy, singy like American boy. Boop boopy doop. Then Tony Scapooch serenades Mariucci down in the alley. I'm a grinder, I'm a grinder, I'm a grinder all day. My monk, she's a work and my organ, she's a play. If money I get, mwah, there's gonna be a lot of spaghetti for Mariucci and me. I'm a grinder, I'm a grinder, I'm a grinder all day. My monk, she's a work, my